shouting?
Ah, Sochima, you're a coward. Did you hear me? You're a coward. So you could not stop that girl from coming to this house, eh? Ha! You are very weak.
Dima, why are you acting as though there's something going on between Ikenna and I?
Of course, there is something going on. Eh? There is something going on now. If not, that girl will not have the guts to speak to me the way she did. Eh? Did you hear her? Ha! Ha!
Dima, the Ikem I know will not talk to you like that if you did not insult her.
Hey!
Yes!
You are defending her. Sochima, you are defending your girlfriend. Eh? Okay, no problem. Very soon, the villagers will gather for me and hide this village. Just wait.
Dima, you are fighting yourself. No one is fighting you. You're the one going around causing havoc. Yes!
Me? Causing havoc? No, Dima is not causing havoc. Because I'm fighting for what belongs to me. Akwaya? No problem. Sochima? No problem. You see that girl? I will deal with her in this village. Eh? Wait for me. I will deal with her. You heard me right. Nonsense. Sochima.
Mama, please stop shouting here. Mama.
What is it? Okay? Stay away from my man. Did you hear me? Stay away from Sochima. That is why I'm here.
What man? Is it the one you love and care for, or the one...
Oh yes, I love him. Okay? I love Sochima and I care about him. So what?
So where were you when he needed you the most? Hmm? When his mother was sick in the hospital, where were you? Where?
Okay? I can see. I can see that you have PhD in pretense. I can see that. So you are pretending to be a good girl so that Sochima will notice you, right? Okay, you lie. Stay away from him. I'm warning you for the last time. Huh.
Dima, I feel very sorry for you. What is your problem? I have a fiancé that stays in the city. So why would I leave him for your Sochima that stays in the village?
This girl, you actually think you're unpredictable. Okay? You think you know it all, that you're wise. But let me shock you. I know your plans and I am following you, bomba to bomba. Stay away from my man.
Dima, please be very careful with me. Be very careful with the way you talk to me. I have nothing with Sochima. And stop raising your voice at me.
Oh, really? Really? Then stay away from his mother. Okay? Stay away from Sochima entirely. Maybe, just maybe I can believe your lies.
Dima, let today be the first and the last time you will step this your tiny feet into my father's compound to spill this rubbish.
F what? F what? What can you do?
Did you just push me?
Yes! You just push me. Just push me. Look, I will kill you. I know your plans, Sochima. I know your plans. You want to push me away so that you can start dating her.
Dima, can you watch your mouth? Can you watch the things that come out of your mouth? Nkem and I are just friends. She assisted me the day I took Mama to the hospital, and that's all.
And you expect me to believe that, right? Sochima, look at me. You expect me to believe that lies you just told now?
Dima, there's nothing between Nkem and I, and that is the truth.
Then tell her to stop coming here. Tell her to stop seducing you. You are mine.
Hey.
You're my boyfriend. She should leave you for me now.
Sometimes I wonder where you get this information. Nkem and I are just friends. She comes here to take care of Mama because she knows Mama is sick. Something you have refused to do.
Oh, because I refuse to take care of your sick mother. That is why you're inviting that girl here, right? Okay.
Let me tell you something. I don't invite her. She comes uninvited. She comes to take care of my mother because she knows my mother needs care.
You're even supporting her. Look at your eyes. Sochima, hey. Look at your eyes. I can see love for her in your eyes. Look at you.
Can you stop this nonsense? There's nothing between us.
And you're raising your voice at me. No, you're shouting at me because of that girl. You're shouting at me. It's okay. No problems. I will go. But let me tell you, the battle line has been drawn. In fact, the battle has increased. You just brought out the whole madness in me right now. She will hear from me. No problem. Don't worry.
Dima. What kind of... Dima!
house. Who is here? Somebody should come out. Mama, my name is Dima. I am Sochima's girlfriend. Mama, I have come to plead with you to please help me caution your daughter to stay away from Sochima, my man. That is why I came.
So you don't have respect for elders? Eh? You see an old woman like me, Ikenna.
I'm sorry.
Sorry for yourself. Anyway, I don't think Nkem my daughter, has anything to do with Sochima. So you have to be very careful before laying accusation on my daughter.
Mama, it is very obvious that you do not know your daughter, Nkem. Mama, if you know Nkem and what she can do, you will not be here supporting her.
Point of correction. Nkem my daughter, has a fiancé that stays in the city. And he is doing very well. You don't expect her to leave him for a village boy. It's not possible. Nkem can never do such.
Mama, have you seen Sochima before? No, have you seen my Sochima? Sochima is very handsome. Every woman's dream. And I'm sure that is why your daughter is throwing herself at him. Warn her to stay away from my boyfriend.
Mind your language. Mind your language, young girl. My daughter is not a wayward girl and can never do such. So you have to be careful.
Mama, like I said before, I have not come here to quarrel or to fight, but I've come to beg you to help me plead with your daughter to stay away from my man. That is all I came to do.
Let me ask you. Has he paid your dowry? Are you not ashamed of yourself? You are fighting over a man that have not paid your bride price. You feel out there, Maggie? Hey,
Mama, I am very certain that Sochima will marry me. Only if your daughter will stop distracting him. Mama, warn her from you. If not, the villagers will gather for us. Warn her. I'm gone. Boyfriend snatcher everywhere. Looking for who to snatch. Let me see them, my boyfriend.
Hey! Now, wow. Girls of nowadays don't have shame. Look at the way this one is shouting and crying over a man that has not paid her bride price. Chai. Ebere mebuolu mne mole. Nkem. Dima was here earlier today when you went to the market to sell vegetables.
Again?
Yes.
She was here again?
Yes. And she kept lamenting that you snatched Sochima from her.
Mama, that is not true. That is not true. Sochima and I are just friends. I have my man, Chinedu. We are going to get married. I'm not leaving him for anybody. I love him very much. Sochima and I are just friends. His mother is very sick. And whenever he's not around, I go over there to help the poor woman. So nothing.
I know. And that's the reason I called you out here. For you to stop going there. Kusi Kene. Kusi Nchantabiko Kusi. Don't go there again.
Ma, I can't stop going there. I can't stop going there. If I stop going there, who will take care of that woman when Sochima is not around? She needs care.
But it's causing problem. And the villagers are talking about it.
Mama, let them talk. I did not talking with their mouth. They should talk, please.
Nkem, what if the news gets to Chinedu? What will you do?
Mama, my conscience is clear. And I know Chinedu will understand.
You don't tell a man such and you expect him to believe you. Even Sochima himself is equally a man. Something might happen one day.
Mama, nothing is going to happen. You brought me up well. I am not a loose woman. Sochima is a responsible man. He will not even think of a thing like that. Besides, we are just like brothers and sisters.
Brothers and sisters? Brothers and sisters in Nkem.
Yes, Mama.
Anyway, I have nothing to say again. I just called you out here to tell you to stop going there.
Mama, please, I'm hungry. Let me have one orange.
Look, orange.
Just to do good, No one can stop me. I chose to be a helper, 'cause I do not know what future holds for me. Whichever way, and come what may.
What that girl displays shows that she needs work. And we are going to give her work. I mean, it's not even as if Sochima is rich or something. So why would you want to snatch him away from her?
It's confusing. The whole thing is just so tiring. Do you know that this girl came to the house the other day to confront Mama about this same issue?
Are you serious? Hey! It's as if this girl is mad though. It's as if she's mad. It's as if they have not told her that you have mad sisters in this village. Or is she a new person in this village? Eh?
I'm just so tired. I just don't want any problem. I don't want to fight. God in heaven knows. I just want her to understand that Sochima and I have nothing together. We are just friends.
What do you mean you don't want to fight her? It's because of this your smeh. That's why she came to your house and she was harassing you like that. Eh? So you want to sit down and allow your fellow woman suppress you in this village in the name of a man? Just because of a man? No, we are going to fight her. Since she wants fight, we will fight her. We will deal with her for harassing you. She's mad. Nonsense.
I'm just tired of everything. I just don't want problem. I don't want problem. Everything should just go away. We're not fighting.
You don't give yourself headache, eh? Just leave everything for me. Leave it for us. We are your sisters. We will deal with her. Nonsense. Onyala kobo. Just imagine.
Kim, I know how you feel. I'm really sorry. I didn't know she would go that far. Please.
That your girlfriend is so annoying. I mean, how can she even accuse both of us of being together when she's not even sure?
She's senseless. And sometimes you know how some women behave. They act out of jealousy. She's very jealous.
I understand. But what I don't understand is, since she loves you so much and she claims she cannot live without you, how come she's not even there to help you when you need her the most? She's not even there to look after your mother. How come?
Kim, did you not hear what I said? I said she doesn't have sense. She doesn't have sense. But don't worry. I'll take care of everything. I'll handle her. Okay?
At least I agree with the fact that she doesn't have sense. My own is that she should stay away from me, because the next time she harasses me again, I won't look at your face. I will fight her.
I know, but please, don't fight her. I promise to handle everything. I'll take care of the situation, I promise you. I'm sorry about the stress, but how have you been?
I'm fine. Only that your girlfriend has been giving me headache for this.
Try. I'm sorry, but it's okay. Everything will be fine, eh? Huh?
Okay.
Are you okay now? Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Let me go.
Okay.
Okay. Bye-bye.
I chose to do good. No one can stop me. I chose to be a helper, 'cause I do not know what future holds for me.
Why are you pacing around like this? What is it? Again?
Why did you keep me waiting?
Sorry.
Dima, how dare you? How dare you fight Ikenna on the road? Are you mad?
Oh, so you're yelling at me now because of that girl? Eh?
Yes! Why won't I yell at you? How many times have I begged you? How many times did I plead with you? Eh? But you wouldn't listen.
Sochi, tell that girl to stop coming to your house and pretending to your mother to be a good girl, because she's not. Tell her.
Okay, if you want her to stop coming to my house, then go to the house and take care of my sick mother. Yes, because you know I'm always at the farm. My mother is always at home by herself. Go and take care of her then.
Oh, so you mean I should leave everything I am doing, then go to your house and look after your sick mother just to be a good girl to you, right? You don't know anything.
I don't know anything. But can't you do that for me? Are you not my girlfriend? What stops you from doing that?
I can do it all. I can actually do it. There's nothing there now, but you have to give me money.
Huh?
Yes! Give me money to look after your sick mother.
Hey!
Let me go.
Hey! Dima,
Hmm?
did you hear yourself?
Mm-hmm.
It is confirmed that you are a witch. Yes, because you just sounded like one. Dima, you know how broke I am. You know how much I've been suffering to make ends meet, to take care of my sick mother. Yet you keep asking me for money for the rest of your life. Let me tell you something. You see Nkem that you're jealous of. She knows my situation. She knows my predicament. Yet she doesn't ask me for a kobo. Can't you be like Nkem?
And what did you call her?
Nkem?
Nkem? That's her name now. That's what you call her now. She goes around snatching boyfriends and making them her own. Me, I am the ma. I got them sharp. Look at me, from head to toe. I got them feet. So I need all the money, to look after myself. So give me the money. So give it to me.
Eh?
There you go.
It go the sharp.
I them sharp.
It go the sharp.
Chim chim.
Eh. Okay now. You know what? Leave her alone. Eh? Since you cannot take care of my mother, leave Nkem to take care of my mother for me. She's all I have.
You are joking. Sochi, you are joking. You see that girl? I will fight her anywhere I see her until she leaves you alone. You're my boyfriend. And don't come here and be shining your eyes at me as if you want to swallow me. Think I'm scared of your eyes. Don't try it next time. Oh. Go and try to leave you alone. Nonsense.
Dima, come back here. Dima! Dima! Dima, come back! Hey! Hey!
Really? Oh, wait, are you saying that you're not scared if my father is strict or not?
Seriously, I don't care. What matters is that my girl, my angel, is in love with this ugly village boy.
Oh, please. Why are you saying you're ugly? Wait, who said you're ugly? You're not ugly, you're very handsome.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
So, I'm handsome.
You are very, very, very handsome. My taste and my type. Wait, if you're ugly, do you even think I'll come close to you? I will just be giving you space, distance, long distance. You're not ugly, Joe. You're sweet.
I'm blushing right now.
Yeah.
I'm so happy to be with you, my queen.
I'm happy too. Oh, kiss me. Give me another one. You're making me shy. Stop now. Why are you laughing?
Chai! Chinekele. What have I done to deserve this? Is that not Chinwedu? Having an affair by the bush. Hi!
Thank you for loving me.
And I don't want anything to separate us.
Nothing will separate us.
Are you sure? I don't want to. I hope you will not cheat on me. If you cheat on me. If you cheat on me.
Hold on. So don't you trust me again?
I do.
I can't do without you.
So she has the guts to play love on this at the bush parties. With who? This useless riffraff. Village boy for that matter. Hi! I have suffered. We will know who is who. You will meet me at home. No problem. When we get home, we will talk it over.
Nothing is going to separate us. Oh, I told you. Hey, Papa, good afternoon.
What is good about that?
Papa, this one I'm beating you and you're attacking me like this. I hope there's no problem.
Look, let me tell you. You and your sister will not bring shame to me in this village. Lie, not at all. So, that foolish boy is the one you are roaming about with in this village. Kissing and romancing, right?
Chineke me. Papa, which boy are you talking about?
Oh, you thought I didn't see you with that hooligan? Along the road, kissing, under a tree for that matter, kissing and romancing. You thought I didn't see you?
Papa, he's not a hooligan, he's useful.
Yes, it's useful. After he has gotten what he wanted, he will fly away like a butterfly, Look, let me tell you. You and your sister should begin to think of how to get married or if possible, date a rich man or rich man that will take good care of you and your children. And possibly get me a mansion in this village that at the end of the day I will say, yeah, this is my daughter's thing. Not going about with all these useless boys.
Papa, we are not in the city to see rich men. And besides, these rich men, they also want city girls that are from rich homes.
Will you shut up there? You shut up. Azuna's daughter, Nkechi, she got married to a rich man in this village. What about Uzona's daughter as well? Olushi. She got married to a rich man in this village as well. Why are my daughter's cases different? Why?
Papa, God's time is the best. They got married to rich men because it's their time and it's their luck. Stop disturbing us about money.
And then you better pray for the same God that gave them theirs to give you your own. Not these useless Jingon boys who are still eating mama thank you. At the end of the day, they go about deceiving you that it shall be well tomorrow. It is a lie. And for your information, if I happen to see those boys come to my house here to ask for your hands in marriage, if I don't cut their legs, in fact, I will plug those their eyes as well. Nonsense.
This fight we witnessed today is like a war zone.
Hey, Ifesi, let me tell you, I have never ever seen Nkem in such mood before.
I like the way she dealt with that girl. Now. Her own is too much. Everyday fight. Everyday fight.
I like it. That girl too they do. I like the yes, sir.
Everyday fight. Everyday fight. I don't understand. My own is, how can she be fighting her fellow girl over a man?
Over a man who doesn't have money. Just put it like that. A man who is not rich. Not be say he get money and they are killing themselves over him.
I don't understand. I don't understand you. I don't understand. See, that guy is a very, very nice guy. Do you hear me? Everything is not all about money.
Talk again. You say what?
Everything not be money.
My friend, keep quiet. Let me tell you, everything is all about money. Ifesi, everything is all about money. Let me tell you, money rules the world. Money can even as well raise the dead. And you're here telling me money is not everything. Money is everything. I cannot marry a poor man.
You cannot marry a poor man. You are money. You are money.
Monica.
You cannot marry a poor man.
I cannot marry a poor man. You don't expect a fine girl like me to marry a poor man. A pauper. A man who doesn't have money. Back to sender. I no try.
Hey. May I know you to do money. They
no fit.
I beg, come help me.
I should help you. If I help you, who will not help me?
I go support you now. Because
with
rich girl.
Oh my God.
Papa for me. Yeah. My waist. Okay. Why'd you?
Chisom.
Papa.
See that you are a disgrace to this family. You have no shame at all. How can you fight at the village tap when your mates are in their husband's houses breastfeeding their babies? Disgrace.
Papa, I don't understand you. I don't understand. Were you expecting me to stand by and watch that riffraff, that village I want to be girl, fight my own cousin? Papa, I don't like it though. I don't like it. Papa, I don't like it.
Don't shut up your mouth there. Didn't come here ask you to help her in a fight. Since she has decided to turn herself to a tiger in this village, why not allow her to keep on fighting? Let her fight a fight.
Papa, this is your niece that we are talking about here. Your own brother's daughter. Are you saying that we should not defend her in public?
Look at this one talking, good Samaritan. Defender indeed. So, if you know that you know how to wrestle very well, why don't go to the stadium where you meet women with muscles that can fight? Instead of this village fight that you have. No sense.
Papa, I know why you are doing all this. So I know why you are doing all this. Papa, I know you are sounding like this because we have not brought you a rich man that will come here and build you a mansion. Papa, I know why. I know that is why you are doing all this.
Now you are talking. Look, listen to me. Let me tell you something. if a man's wife is in labor, two things goes into his memory. One, if he's called and told that the baby is a girl that is delivered, fine. The first thing that comes into his head is that this girl will marry a rich man that will change his status. While the second one is, at his old age, this girl will take care of him. Am I not old enough for you to take care of? Am I not old?
Oh, Papa.
Eh? I should still be taking care of two grown-ups like you. Feeding you right from childhood till now. Waiting, don't you think for me?
God, please give me this husband. Give me this husband. Let me leave this house because I'm tired of staying in this house with you, Papa.
Keep on praying. You have not prayed enough. Pray well for that man to come that will take you out of this house. It's better for me because I'm sick and tired of seeing you girls roaming about in this village with those riffraffs who cannot even take care of 1 square meal a day.
Papa, this is not fair. This is not fair.
Papa, you ought to treat us good or we're your children, oh.
Every time
Okay.
you treat someone in this house, someone cannot just have one single piece in his father's house.
Yes? What is it?
Dima, I want us to talk as adults.
Whatever you want to say it here. I'm listening.
I want you to stop all this drama. All this fighting. It doesn't fit you.
Drama?
Yes.
I'm not acting drama now. Eh? I'm only fighting for the man I love. I'm not acting drama. What drama I'm not acting?
The man you claim you love, but don't show it.
You see? No, now you see it. You think I don't love you? Eh? You think I don't love you and I'm fighting that stupid girl before she snatches you from me? I love you now, that's why I'm doing it.
Dima, I'm not saying you don't love me. But the point is, you don't show it. You don't help out. You don't help my sick mother. You don't help me with house chores. Eh? But Nkem does.
Hold it there. Just hold it there. Don't even try to compare me to that stupid girl. Eh? Don't try it. That girl is pretending now. She's pretending and I'm not. I'm just being myself. I'm being real. Eh? This is me. And when I'm duplicate, I don't have duplicate at all. Don't compare me to that girl, please. Sing Nkem.
Dima, you must understand that you're the woman I love. I'm in a relationship with you. Eh? You're my girlfriend. I don't have anything to do with Nkem. She's just my friend. She only comes to help out. That is all. You need to stop this fighting, this drama, this quarrel, because the villagers are watching.
Okay, fine. I will stop. But first, you have to tell her to stay away from you. You're my man. I don't want to share you with anybody. She should stay away from you now. Eh? I don't want to share you.
Stay away from me. Dima, that's impossible. I'm sorry, I can't tell her that. It's going to seem disrespectful to her.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, you care more about her feelings than mine, right? No, you're more concerned about how she feels than me. Oh, Broya, no problem. It's okay. You can suit yourself. Let me go inside while I continue with my plans.
Come here. I'm talking. Why are you always walking out of me? What is wrong with you? That doesn't make you a respectful woman.
Tell that girl to stay away from you. Eh? You're my man. You belong to me. Eh? I mean, you're mine. I don't want to share you with anybody. Tell her to leave you alone now. Is it too much to ask?
Hi.
Eh? You're my man. You're my boyfriend. And I love you. I don't want to share you with anybody.
You don't sound happy at all. What is the matter?
I am fine. I just have headache.
Headache? Hope you've taken drugs.
Yes, I have. How is work over there?
Well, work is fine, we thank God. I miss you, my angel.
I miss you too. I can't wait to see you.
The same with me. I miss you more. Celestine, If I come back, we are getting married immediately. God has been faithful. What about Mama? How is she?
Mama is fine. She went to the farm. I couldn't go with her because of the headache.
Okay, extend my greetings to her if she returns, okay?
Okay.
I have to attend to someone now. Take good care of yourself for me. I'll send a little money this evening. I love you.
I love you too. Thank you. Bye. Mama, this one you're looking at me like this. Is anything the problem?
Nkemdelem. I hope you are not taking my food to Soshima's mother after cooking.
Mama, so that's why you've been standing there looking at me because of the food.
Nkemdelem, you are a nobody to that family. So I urge you to stop visiting them. If Soshima needs someone to take care of his mother, he should hustle, make money, and employ someone, not you. Obroge.
Mama, stop talking like this. Eh? I've told you this thing before. Nobody knows tomorrow. Sochima might become rich tomorrow and turn around to help us. See, life is somehow.
Nkemdelem, stop giving them my food. I've not even eaten enough to my satisfaction. Talk more of giving someone.
Mom, don't worry yourself. God will provide. It was God that provided this one. God is never tired of providing.
Nkemdelem, I'm beginning to suspect you. Yes, Dima could be right.
Mama, you don't trust me. Your own daughter that you raised. So you will believe that I am now into snatching people's boyfriend. No now, Mama. Mban. Sochima and I are just friends. Nothing more.
I don't understand you these days. Yes. Your attitude is confusing, Nkemdelem. I got us wrong.
Mama, don't be confused. Sochima and I are just friends. As for that girl, that stupid girl, she can go to hell. Spreading rumors. It's not true.
Nkemdelem.
Mama.
Nkemdelem.
Mama.
Nkemdelem.
Mama.
I chose to do good. No one can stop me. I chose to be a helper, 'cause I do not know what future holds for me. Whichever way, and come what may, I know I won't regret anything. It doesn't matter what they say. Oh.
Mama, water is here.
What is happening between Dima and what's her name? Ikenna.
Mama. Mama, wait, come here. Mama.
Mama. Listen. Don't give me that book. Alright? See, Ikenna is a good child. I don't want anything that would hurt her because. Yeah? Don't hurt her because of that Dima. Why that's Ochakomaka. Because just ensure that Ikenna doesn't get hurt.
Mama, you know women with their trouble. Eh? Don't worry, they're going to sort themselves out.
Just sorting out.
Mama, drink some water. Drink some water.
Cello. If it means driving that thing my way is better, just leave her. That girl, that baby in Soka.
Mama, it hasn't got into that now. Eh? Don't worry, I'm going to solve their problems when next I see them.
No, that girl will never change. She loves money. Not you. And people like that will continue loving money. Oh, but just look at him, get me. Then look, go see her man. The way she looks after me feeds me, as if I am her own biological mother. Eh? The boy anyway.
Mama, listen. Asking me to chase her away, it hasn't gotten to that. I love her very much, and I believe she's going to change. Huh?
Change. Just forget it.
Mama, please drink some water. You requested for water. Here it is. Mama, drink water now.
No, not until you tell me you go drive her away.
Mama, you've been coughing. Drink some water. Mama, wait. Mama, wait. Mama, drink.
Where's that stupid girl? Dima! Where's that fool? Dima! Come out! Dima! It's yours. Come outside! Where is she? Hey! Today is not the day you come and you run your mouth after running your mouth. Dima! If you can mess with my family, I'll show you. I'll show you. You better come home. You went and locked the door, yeah? You went and locked the door. I'll bring her out. Foolish girl. Dima! Hey! She thinks she can mess with my sister. Hey! I will kill you today. Hey! Useless animal. Dima! Are you sure she's in this house?
I think maybe she heard our voice as we were coming and she went inside and locked herself inside.
Yeah.
See, let's just go.
I'm not going anywhere. I want to deal with this girl today. I want to show her Pepe.
You show me. I want to deal. You know me. I want to deal with her. I want to use this 2x2 and break her head. Yes. You know now. You know, yes. But she's not here now. She's not here. I'm sure that our arrival has issued threats and she went to hide. It is good that you are hiding. You better hide. You better hide anywhere you see me. Fight. She understands the lesson.
Dima, I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you. Stupid girl. Come on, yeah.
They came with Blanco. They wanted to break my head. Thank God. Hi.
Be chasing him.
I don't know. Something must have happened. I heard his mother is not feeling fine. Seriously sick.
That is his own problem. After all, he's been the one causing the whole havoc between my cousin and that Dima of a girl. Please, let's go. Let's go! He should be able to solve his own problem.
Mama? I'm back. Mama, get up so you can take your drugs. Mama, the pharmacist gave you some drugs. Get up and take it. Mama, come and take your drugs. Get up. Mama, the pharmacist gave me some drugs for you. Get up and take. Mama! Mama! Mama, get. Mama! Mama, hold on, I'm coming. Hey, Mama has to go to the hospital now. Doctor.
Yes. Is my mother going to be okay? She's not talking. Is she going to be okay?
Your mother is sick. But the antibiotics will take care of the cough. However, she needs blood because she doesn't have enough blood in her.
Blood? But doctor, you can give her my blood. Take my blood, give it to her. Please.
No, okay, but we need to screen your blood before donating it.
Screen? That's fine, I'm ready. I'm ready.
Okay, come with me to the lab.
Doctor, I'm trying to understand you. You said I can't donate blood to my mother because I have blood shortage.
Yes. If you try to do that, you will not survive it.
Hey.
So I suggest you look for another solution.
Doctor, you don't understand. I am my mother's only child. Eh? There's no other person. What do I do? Listen. God is our only helper. Nobody helps us. What should I do?
Get some blood. Buy some blood. If you can't do that, look for someone that will donate to her. Somebody you can pay.
You don't understand. I don't have money. Where do I get money to buy? Doctor, I don't have money to buy.
Sorry, that is the only solution. I've given you 3 options. Choose from one of them.
Alright, thank you.
The doctor said my mother is going to die in 2 days if she does not get help. Please.
So you expect me to follow you to the hospital to donate blood to your mother? This small blood that I'm still managing? No, now it's not possible.
Dima, please. My mother is going to die if you don't help me. Please, help my mother survive, please.
You are not serious, oh?
Eh?
Sachi, you are not serious one bit. Eh? So I should go and give your mother blood. This small blood now. Why would I go and give her blood? Eh? Don't tell me that. You're not serious, oh? You are not serious at all. Do you give me money, by the way? When I ask you for money, do you give me money? At least I need money to buy food, eat, and have enough blood, since I'm not your mother's blood bank, so I can donate to her. But you don't give me money when I ask you. Eh? I'm sorry, oh. I don't have blood.
Dima, in this situation, you still ask me for money. Why are you so selfish to the people around you?
That is because you don't take care of me. You don't take care of me. You don't give me money to buy food and eat and keep my blood for your mother. Eh? So you want me to go and give your mother blood? Lie. I see. I will not do it. My blood is not even enough now. It's not enough for anybody.
So your final answer is no? You won't help me? Dima, you won't help me? So you want my mother to die? Fine. I'll get help elsewhere. Thank you.
Hey, it's a problem. This small blood that I'm managing, I should go and donate it to an old woman who should be resting. Like, this is my fresh blood. Eh? And they want to reduce my selling point by taking my blood. You're not even serious, you this boy. Rubbish.
I chose to do good. No one can stop me. I chose to be a helper, 'cause I do not know what future holds for me. Whichever way, and come what may, I know I won't regret anything.
So how do you feel?
I just feel dizzy, that's all.
That's okay. The drip will help. But I don't think you will go home today. Yes.
No. Doctor, I have to go today. Biko. Eh?
No, you're not yet strong. You need to stay back, okay?
Doctor, by the time this drug finishes, I'll be fit. Then I can go home, okay? Tell him now. I can't stay.
Doctor, are you sure she can't go home today?
No, she can't go. She had a blood donation. What if something happens in the night? Who will be there to attend to her?
I'll be fine.
It's okay, doctor. I'll talk to her.
It's alright. See you guys.
Alright, thank you very much. Okay. I understand how you feel. But honestly, I want to thank you. I want to thank you for everything. You saved my mother's life. What would I have done without you? Thank you so much. May God bless you.
You're welcome. Oh,
But you can't.
but I can't stay. I have to go.
I was going to say, maybe you should listen to the doctor.
Mm-hmm.
He made a point. He said, what if you need attention?
Chima, I am fine. Once this drip finishes, I'll be strong. You know Mama does not know my whereabouts. She'll be worried. Pico.
That's true. Okay, I'll help you. I'll wait for the drip to finish. And once you're done with the drip, I'll take you home, okay?
I chose to do good. No one can stop me. I chose to be a helper. Cause I do not know what future holds for
If you want.
You know, it's maybe that drip, but just feel like
I know I won't regret anything. It doesn't matter what they say. Oh, oh, Ogomadu mere na suru yofia. Na sufia. Oh, good work pays. Of course, good works to pay. Your good works are not in vain. Oh, good work pay.
Doctor,
Yes.
is she okay?
Yes, she'll be fine. Just that her blood pressure is slightly high. No, it's advisable for people that donate blood to stay back, regain their strength before going back home.
But she's going to be okay.
Of course, she will.
Alright, thank you, doctor. What about my mother? Is she still sleeping?
Yes. She's fine.
Alright. Thank you very much.
Alright.
Thank you.
See you.
What happened to me? I don't remember.
You collapsed on our way back home. I had to bring you back to the hospital.
Hey. I'm sorry for not listening to you and the doctor. I thought I was fine and I could go home.
I understand. But it's okay. At least you're getting better. You should be home by tomorrow.
What about Mama?
Mama is awake. But you can't see her now. You need to rest. Huh?
Okay.
Please get some rest, okay? Thank you so much for everything. You're going through this because of me.
Thank you.
Get some rest, okay? You'll be fine. Okay? Are you hungry? Are you sure you're not hungry?
I chose to do good. No one can stop me.
can she say anything like that? Is she mad?
She's mad. That girl is mad. Talk to her. Oh. Train her. Tell her to leave me alone. In fact, I have made up my mind. I will stop coming to your house. Yes, I will stop coming to your house.
No, it hasn't got
It
into
has
that
passed
now.
like that. It has passed like that. This girl is harassing me. She's insulting me because I'm helping you out.
Listen, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Listen, I'm going to talk to her. She doesn't have any right to say that to you. But please, you care about my mother and I. Would you rather turn your back on us because of my girlfriend? You wouldn't do that. I know you're a good person. She's doing all these things because she helped me with my assignment when I wanted to write my WAEC exam.